is your captain speaking. Take your seat. We're approaching Jassi. Oh, what a treat. We're about to land in 3, 2, 1. Planet Jassi, here we come.
Hi superstars! I hope that you're all ready to shake your tail feathers because this moving group is all about different kinds of birds. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is going to fly like an eagle. So you're going to spread our arms just like an eagle. That's it, great job. Get those arms up. Fantastic. Okay, superstars, so the next one is very tricky, but I think we can all do it. So you're going to balance like a flamingo, okay? So we're going to count down from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How did you all go? Fantastic! Great job. Now let's try the other leg. Okay, you ready? So the same as before, I'm going to count down. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! Okay, so the next one we're going to do is going to spread our feathers like a peacock. So you ready? So we're going to go big arms all the way around. Great job. Fantastic. Big stretch. Great job. Love your energy, superstars. I'll see you next time on Jassi's Moving Grooves. Bye.
Go to planetjassi.com.au. Produced by Jigsaw Autism Services.